I have this raw edged plaque from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the sticker and then I'm going to cut off the hanger. I found this mom sign also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take some wood glue and a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to glue it to the front portion of my wood piece here, allowing the raw edge to show in the front. I found these beautiful bottles also at the Dollar Tree. They came in different colors, opal, purple, blue, and I grabbed 3 different ones, and I'm going to take some E6000 and that hot glue again, and I'm going to glue them to the back of the mom sign on my plaque. The E6000 is what you're going to need, and I'm adding a little bit of hot glue for that instant hold. And I did this on all 3 bottles. I had one that had a gold leaf on it, and I moved that to the center bottle. I found these cutouts at Hobby Lobby. They came in a box full of different spring shapes, and I'm going to paint one in pink, purple, and the pink one I went back with some yellow because I realized that my plaque was pink, and the butterfly I did in a turquoise tone, added some black in the center of the butterfly, and then just added some black randomly throughout my flowers to bring some interest. I'm going to glue my butterfly in the front. I'm going to put a flower on the right M and a flower on the left M. And this is my completed project. And then I decided to show you, if you just took some flowers from the Dollar Tree and took the lids off the bottles and added the flowers, was also an idea. You could actually probably put real flowers in each of the bottles with some water. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. And receive a cutout every month. Go check it out at chalkitofancy.com.